Hey guys, welcome back to VK. We have successfully completed 500 subscribers on our channel. I would like to say a huge thank you to all the subscribers who have subscribed to our channel. The first thing is, if you guys have already subscribed to our channel, thank you so much for that. If you haven't turned on the bell icon next to the subscribe button, please hit that bell icon, because whenever I upload any new video, you will automatically get a notification from YouTube that new video from Versatile Knowledge, so that you can instantly get notified whenever a new video is uploaded onto my channel. That's the first point. The second important thing is, if you guys are watching my video for the first time and if you guys are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, as we have some amazing content on our channel. And check out the other videos, as we have done more than 160 plus videos. The third important thing is, I'll be starting the Sunday live sessions, guys. Yes, on Sundays I'll be doing live videos. I'll be coming live on YouTube and I'll be directly interacting with my audience or all my subscribers. So whoever wants to talk with me about anything, if you want to ask me anything related to technology or anything, you have questions about smartphones or gadgets or anything, or if you have queries about which phone you have to buy or which earphone you have to buy or which headphone or laptop or TV or etc., you can ask me anything in that live stream which I will be doing on Sundays. So if you guys want to talk with me about anything, just come to the live stream on Sundays. We can directly interact. Any of my friends who's watching this video or relatives, if you guys want to interact with me or if you guys want to talk with me about anything in general, I'll be coming live on YouTube on Sundays. So just turn on the bell next to the subscribe button, because whenever I come live on YouTube, you will also get notified for that as well. So that's it for this video, guys. This is not a tech related video or any knowledge sharing video or any unboxing or something like that. This was just a video where I had to say a huge thank you to all the 500 subscribers of our channel. So just stay tuned, as we have some awesome content, because this milestone is a huge motivation for me and as well as for Versatile Knowledge. Thank you for watching, guys.